Hello YouTubers, I'm Python and this is our 9th video in Python Kivy. So in this video we're going to learn that how you can load videos in Kivy using video widget. So you can see that the video, if you see the documentation of Kivy, the video widget is used to display video files and streams. So it depends on your core provider, and for example, the pygame video player only support MPEG-1 on Linux and OSX, and also GStreamer is more versatile and can read many video containers and codecs such as MKV, OGV, AVI, movie, and FLV. So now, and there are different attributes that you can use with video. For example, we have duration. It is the duration of the video, and also we have, for example, loaded options, play, and you can see that the EOS, it is a boolean value, indicates whether the video has so the duration is it's a boolean, indicates whether the video has finished playing or not, or it means that reached at the end of the stream. And this EOS is, you can use EOS to define that. It's a boolean property and the default value is true, false. So we'll use some of these attributes in our coding. Now, before starting our coding, you need to install, for example, first you need to install Pilo, and also after that you need to install FFmpegplayer. So after the installing of these, now we need to do our coding. First, we need to just import from kivy.uix.app, from kivy.app, import app. Also from kivy.uix.video, I'm going to import video. So now let me just create my class. I call it video window. This extends from the app, and this is for creating of our content and the build. So now the first thing we need to just create the object of our video. So I'm going to just say video, and in here you need to specify the source of the video. So you can just add the source wherever your video is located. So if you have a video, for example, in your drive, you can just copy that path in here, or if your video is in your working directory, you can just give the name of the video in here. So as I have already added my video in my working directory, I am going to just give my video name. So it is my video.mp4. Okay, now after this you can add some attributes to this. For example, you can add video.state, and I want it should be play. So by default I want it should be in my video should be in the play state. Also you can for example, you can add video.options. You can just for example, if you want the looping of the video, you can just add EOS. It's a boolean property in Kivy, and I want to add this loop. Also you can just you can say video dot allow stretch. So video dot you can use allow stretch, and by default it's false. You can make it a true, and at the end we are going to just return our video like this. Okay, so now let me just create this. Also, if you want the source code, you can just check my blog codeloop.org, and you can get all the source code of the videos. So now I'm going to just create the object of my video window in here. So it is video window, and at the end I'm going to just run this my window, and this is the code. Let me just run this. So now you can see that this is my video, and In this Kivy video, we are going to learn that how you can create text input in Kivy. So now let's get started. First, I'm going to just import from Kivy.uix. Okay, like this, you can load a video, and you can use different formats. Thank you guys. If you want the source code, you can just check my blog codeloop.org. Please subscribe to my channel and also like and share this video.